En kwakas niya vir my, hey, lig op jou kop, moenie worry nie, ons het hierdie een.
After the knock-on, they were celebrating and, you know, whatever the English
They were
was that they're
shouting.
doing, yeah. But we obviously knew, like, listen, this is just like we call it plastic energy, you know, where you try to get energy by just shouting, but then you just gone scrum and you just come against us.
Oks like om my te vat as 'n skram. Hy vat my agter my op my trei. Dan voel jy net jy's by mekaar, jy's reg, jy's saam. Is nie dat jy alleen skram.
England like enjoyed playing tricks. Like if we hit too much, then they'd pull away. Then they'd probably like get the penalty. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna let him hit. Then I'm gonna get under him. And he did exactly that. He hit, then he started trying to get low. I was like, okay, perfect. Now I'm in a good place. Now just wait for the ball.
We have a fire call, and we said all 8 is going to fire.
He came in, which I just went. And that's the dark arts.
Oxenchair is destroying the English Titans.
Ox looked like he was under pressure, but he's just so fucking strong that he just from there dips his hips and he goes. It's unbelievable to see that amount of power in someone.
Just like Don, we trained. It's Malcolm Klein, and you just feel in the scrum when we Malcolm Klein, we just bowed through.